Hello everyone, today we are going to have our presentation and our presentation is about Thai silk. And my name is Christina and
My name is Julie.
And we will start our presentation.
Today we are going to introduce Thai silk, one of Thailand's most famous traditional textiles. In this presentation, we will explain what Thai silk is, where it comes from, and how it is produced, and what makes it different from Chinese and European silk. We will also discuss its patterns, design, and how Thai silk is used in modern society today. We hope by this presentation everyone can gain a better understanding of Thai silk and its cultural importance. Before we begin, let's take a look at today's outline. First, we will explain what Thai silk is and introduce its origin. Next, we will go through the manufacturing process step by step. After that, we will discuss the patterns and designs commonly found in Thai silk. Then, we will compare Thai silk with Chinese silk and European silk. Finally, we will look at how Thai silk have developed from the traditional crafts into a modern fashion cultural product. So, what exactly is Thai silk? Thai silk is a traditional handmade textile from Thailand. It has a history of more than 1,000 years and is considered an important part of Thai culture. Thai silk is famous for its bright colors, natural shine, and unique texture. Unlike many machine-made fabric, Thai silk is usually woven by hand, so each piece is slightly different. These small differences are not considered flaws. Instead, they make the fabric look more natural and artistic. Because of its beauty and craftsmanship, Thai silk is highly valued both in Thailand and around the world. Thai silk begins with silkworms. Silkworms are insects that mainly feed on mulberry leaves. After growing for several weeks, they begin producing silk and create cocoons around themselves. Each cocoon contains a very long silk film. In some cases, a single film can be hundreds of meters long. These silk filaments are collected and processed into silk threads. This technique used to produce Thai silk has been passed down from generation to generation. Today, silk production remains an important cultural tradition in many rural communities throughout Thailand.
The first step in silk production is called sericulture. This means raising silkworms. Farmers carefully take care of the silkworms and feed them fresh mulberry leaves every day. The quality of the leaves can affect the quality of the silk. During this stage, the silkworms grow quickly and prepare to produce silk. This step requires patience and careful attention because healthy silkworms produce better silk. After the silkworms mature, they begin spinning silk around their bodies. This process creates a cocoon. The cocoon protects the silkworm while it develops. For silk producers, the cocoon is extremely important because it contains the silk filaments that will later become silk thread. The quality and size of the cocoon can influence the final quality of the fabric. After the cocoons are collected, they are boiled in hot water. This step helps soften a natural substance called Sericin, which acts like a glue holding the silk filaments together. Without boiling, it would be very difficult to separate the silk threads from the cocoon. Although this step seems simple, it is very important because it affects the quality and smoothness of the silk. By carefully controlling the temperature and time, producers can make sure the silk remains strong while becoming easier to process. The next step is called reeling. During this stage, workers carefully unwind the silk filaments from the cocoons. Because a single filament is very thin, several filaments are usually combined together to create stronger silk threads. This process requires skill and patience, because the silk can easily break if it is handled incorrectly. The quality of the reeling process greatly influences the final quality of the silk fabric. After reeling, the silk goes through a process called degumming. The purpose of this step is to remove any remaining sericin from the silk fibers. Once the sericin is removed, the silk becomes softer, smoother, and more comfortable to touch. At the same time, the natural shine of the silk becomes more visible. This is one of the reasons why silk is known as a luxurious fabric. The degumming process usually involves several steps. First, the silk is boiled in hot water. Next, soap or a mild alkaline solution is added to help dissolve the sericin. The temperature and treatment time must be carefully controlled to avoid damaging the silk fibers. Finally, the silk is rinsed with clean water and left to dry. Although this process takes time, it significantly improved the quality and appearance of the final fabric. After degumming, the silk is ready for dyeing. Thai silk is especially famous for its rich and vibrant colors. Both natural dyes and chemical dyes can be used depending on the desired results. In some cases, the silk may be dyed multiple times to create deeper and more complex colors. The bright colors of Thai silk are one of its most recognizable features and help distinguish it from many other types of silk. The next stage is warping. In this step, the silk threads are arranged in a specific order to prepare them for weaving. Although warping may not be as well known as dyeing or weaving, it is an important process because it affects the structure and pattern of the final fabric. Careful preparation at this stage helps ensure that the weaving process runs smoothly. Finally, the silk threads are woven into fabric. Traditional Thai silk is often produced using hand looms. Compared with machine weaving, hand weaving takes much more time and effort. However, it also allows artisans to create unique textures and patterns that are difficult to reproduce by machines. This traditional weaving technique is one of the reasons why Thai silk is valued around the world.
One of the most attractive features of Thai silk is its patterns and design. Many traditional patterns use geometric shapes or cultural motifs. This design often reflects local history, beliefs, and daily life. Different regions of Thailand may have their own unique weaving styles and patterns. As a result, Thai silk is not only fabric but also a form of cultural expression. Through its colors and patterns, people can learn more about Thailand's traditions and identity. Now let's compare Thai silk with Chinese silk and European silk. Although they are all silk fabrics, they have different features. Thai silk is known for its natural shine, visible texture, and handmade appearance. Chinese silk is usually smoother, finer, and more uniform, and European silk tend to be softer and thicker, and it is often associated with luxury fashion and haute couture. In terms of color, Thai silk often features bright and bold colors. Chinese silk usually used elegant traditional tones, while European silk tend to use softer and more fashion-oriented colors. These differences show how different cultures have developed their own unique silk traditions. Today, Thai silk is no longer limited to traditional clothing. It is widely used in modern fashion, accessories, interiors, decoration, and luxury products. Many designers incorporate Thai silk into contemporary garments while still preserving its cultural identity. In addition, Thai silk has become one of Thailand's most important cultural exports. As fashion design students, we think Thai silk is particularly interesting because it successfully combines traditional craftsmanship with modern creativity. It demonstrates how traditional culture can continue to inspire fashion and design in the modern world. Thai silk is more than just a beautiful fabric. It represents Thailand's history, culture, and craftsmanship. From raising silkworms to weaving the final fabric, every step requires skills, patience, and dedication. Through this presentation, we have learned about the origin, production process, design feature, and modern applications of Thai silk. Thank you very much for listening, and we hope you enjoy our presentation. We would be happy to answer any questions.
Thank you for listening.
Yes.